today is a really exciting day. I am going to be finally installing our swivel seat into the van. I bought this mechanism probably about a month and a half ago, and I'm honestly super embarrassed to admit how long it has been sitting, but life got the best of us, and before I knew it, time had gone on way too long. So supposedly it should only take about 30 minutes, but we shall see if that's actually the truth. So here we go. We didn't necessarily set out to make a tutorial video, but if you choose to use ours, please follow a vital step that we forgot to record. That's going to be disconnecting your battery and then waiting roughly about 20 to 30 minutes before you continue on. I just completely skipped a lot of steps. So let me backtrack a little bit. I myself was following a tutorial video doing all of these steps and found after the fact that you don't necessarily have to take these zip ties off if you don't want to. Okay, so far we got the compartment that houses all of like your spare tools for the van. Underneath there, I have disconnected most of the zip ties. I have a couple more here left. And then I am going to disconnect the cables for the airbag. It's been well over 30 minutes though, so I know that there's no juice pumping in here, but I don't know why that's like the most nervous part for me. As I mentioned before, just make sure to disconnect your battery and wait. If you fail to do so on this step, when you disconnect these cables, you will set off your airbag. So listen wisely. Yes, thank you. I think I'm more proud than I should be. I need to get the shoes though, yes. The swivel does come with its own hardware, however you do need to keep the original bolts because you will have to use them to re-secure the seat to the swivel on a later step. Wanna take a chair? Small update. I find this to be so funny. He comes out, assists, and then I go, wait, where is the swivel seat? We may have left that in the storage when my sister was here visiting, so he just left quickly to go get that. So weird to see the chair out there. You should feel the swivel just sort of click into place with the seat mount, and to get to the bolt holes, you're just going to simply hold down the red lever and swivel it just slightly to the side. Just like the swivel, the seat itself should also feel like it clicks into place. But don't let it fool you. Cody, what are we doing for the second time?
Turn this damn seat in. Hey, practice.
Word to the wise. Put all your nuts and bolts in your holes first, just to make sure that, you know, the back and the front's lined up, so you don't have to do it several times. Once we, yet again, removed the bolts, I started to move around the seat and noticed that it was looser than before, and sure enough, right there, it finally clicks into place. Orange and orange. Yellow and yellow. I would have preferred zip ties to put these back to their original spot, but I didn't have any on hand, so I just used some electrical tape to kind of tuck them to the side in order to fit this compartment back into place.
Swivels.
That's exciting!
How does it feel?
It feels real. It's definitely like a little
Hard.
like firm, but I don't hate that. We did it. It's a good one.
Yeah.
Thanks everyone for watching. I'm Christina. That's Cody. This is our van. And honestly, I'm so excited to share the rest of our journey with you all. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time.